Rocket EVA is an agentic AI platform that delivers operational diagnostics across core systems. Online banking customers are reporting slow checkouts during peak hours. Let's see if EVA can help. The user believes the slow checkouts may be an IBM CICS problem. They can ask EVA to provide CICS transaction details where response time was greater than 2 seconds between a certain time period. EVA queries SMF data for the peak window and returns the transactions exceeding 2 seconds. But is it CPU or something else? The user can then ask EVA to break down response times into CPU versus wait components. EVA shows that most of the response time is wait, not CPU. This points to an external dependency, likely Db2 lock contention. It's not a CPU problem, it's an external wait component. The team should investigate Db2 lock contention. EVA saved the team from tuning the wrong thing and likely saved hours of rework.